do something different today. An upcycled candle container. So firstly I clean, of course, the candle container. Then I use this cute mold I have and some air drying clay to decorate the candle container all the way around. As usual, all materials I used will be listed in description box below. So after watching this video, go ahead and check it all out. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a nice comment or a thumbs up. Well, after taking it out of the form, I am gluing it to my candle container, and I glued all, I think, probably not all of the design, the train design on the candle holder, and on the top, on the lid, I use a stencil and modeling paste to achieve this design, and after I applied it, I let it dry. If you have any questions, like what I use, what I'm doing, if it's not clear, just ask me and I will answer as soon as I can. Well, since my other stuff was drying, I used some molds and plaster to make some figurines. So I have a nice teddy bear mold and one gnome mold, and that one I made. Both of them I made, of course. I pour plaster inside of it and I let it all dry. Okay, so my teddy bear is all dry out, so I am carefully taking it out of the mold, and then it's time, of course, to paint it, and whew, it looks great. So now everything is dry and it is really time to paint it all. So firstly I painted everything with brown paint. I use acrylic paints for this, and I let it everything dry before working on it some more, of course. As I was saying, the same way here, I painted the clay with brown paint firstly, all of it, and I took off any excess of the paint with wet towel. So my other stuff is drying again, so it is time to paint my teddy bear. And isn't it cute? Tell me, I mean, this one of the cutest, I think, teddy bear molds out there, and I am so glad I got it. So I am trying to match my teddy bear to my design, and I am painting it the colors which will match my technically upcycled candle container. Now it's time to decorate my candle container a little bit more with some paint. So firstly I painted with a dabber the poinsettia flower in, well, is it called wine red or something like that? Then of course I painted some green. There was a tree on my train design, and well, I didn't paint it all, but few accents here and there on my trains. Then I let it all dry, and after it was dry, it was time to seal it all. So for this I'm using matte varnish. Of course, you can use glossy one as well, and as usual the varnish is water based. And after I sealed everything, so even my teddy bear, I let it all dry before continuing working on my designs. But technically, if you like it the way it is right now, you can stop here, but I thought it needs a little bit more, and for this I use 3D glue pen and some metallic flakes from Pentard. So firstly I applied the glue there where I wanted the metallic flakes to stick, and then you let the glue dry until it becomes transparent, and when it becomes transparent you can add the metallic flakes onto it. I used fingers, but you can use a brush or something, and then I clean up with soft brush to get the excess of the flakes off on my design. And then for a little bit of shimmer, I applied wax paste on my teddy bear just to put a nice golden shimmer look on him. And also a little bit I applied on the train design as well. And then it was time to glue my teddy onto the base, and for this I use heavy body gel, and then I let it all dry, and after it is dry it really sticks onto the base of my reposed candle container. And here we are, all finished, my cute different kind of candle container. So I hope you enjoy seeing this upcycling video. If you did, tell me if you want to see more. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and if you like it, please do subscribe to my channel, give me a nice comment or a thumbs up. Bye.